Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, I decided in the January sales to have a look at the Hotel Chocolat website because they had a sale on, but I'm going to do a video in a few weeks explaining, if anyone's interested, about some of the new foods that I've had to incorporate into my diet. If anyone's interested, it's because I'm following the Hashimoto's recommendations and it's gluten-free, dairy-free, so it's basically paleo. So I wondered if there was any chocolate that I could eat on a paleo diet, basically vegan. And sure enough, there was some stuff on Hotel Chocolat, so it means that I don't have to give up chocolate, which is good, because I basically did my farewell tour of all my favourite foods before Christmas, so I got everything in before I had to make the leap in January. But whilst I was looking at the chocolate, and as I say, I'm going to do a video about some of the swaps that I've been doing, I also noticed that they had some of their products, and Hotel Chocolat were doing a half price set, and it's their Rabot, I think it's Rabot 17.45, and they were doing, I think it was a £40 set for £20, so I decided that it was definitely worth getting it to try. And it means I can do a little demo for you as well. So there were 4 products, and I'll explain why this one came in this packet too. But I thought I would quickly chat you through the ones that I'm not necessarily going to do a demo on, because I mean this one is basically just a lip balm, so you're not really going to demo that. But this is the Peach Chocolate Lip Balm, and I really like the packaging. Obviously it's all about being sustainable, and when you open it up, as you can see, it's just a nice, easy to use lip balm, and it genuinely does have a very subtle peachy taste. I would say extremely subtle. You can just get the hint of the peach. I didn't really get a hint of the chocolate, but it's a very nice lip balm. And then I wondered why this came in this particular packaging, and I realised it's actually a sugar and sour orange body scrub. And I think they were being extra careful because it does have the tendency to leak oil from the scrub, and that's exactly what happened in the bag. It was only a tiny bit of residue, but I thought that was very clever, forward thinking of them to do that. So this is the body scrub. I thought it was like a coffee cup at first. Let me just open this just now. I think you twist it, that's it. Oh, it smells amazing. Do you know what it smells like? Chocolate orange. It is so nice. So even if I just show you a little bit on me, I won't do any body scrub on me at the moment as in a demo, but wow, it's lovely. It really does smell like intense orange. It's a very authentic scent, and I would say if you're into your body scrubs and you're into nothing that smells perfumed but things that smell like the real deal, this is something else. Honestly, it smells like a real orange, like someone's peeled an orange. It's beautiful. So what I'll do now is I'll do a little demo with the 2 products that are basically meant for the hand scrub, I think it's a hand lotion rather than too thick a cream, but I'll do a demo on that and show you exactly how they feel to use. So I'm going to try the avocado and sour orange hand scrub. I had a little test of it and a little smell, and they're beautiful products. They say it's cacao powered beauty, and this says it's a nourishing avocado meets zesty sour orange. Shake to activate and exfoliate, if I can say it, exfoliate, scoop and scrub, then rinse the day away. So give it a little shake, and I can imagine the reason that you're shaking it is because it might have natural separation. So I'll put a little bit on my hand, and what we'll do is we'll just wet the skin just now. So if you wet the skin, now you can do this in the house yourself. You can do it in the bath. You can get yourself set up for a little pamper session. Just remember that when you've got a scrub, you can have all the little parts, you know, the little flecks if it's salt or sugar, and they can go everywhere. So just get a towel ready. Let's see how this comes out. Yes, I can see why you're giving it a shake, and I'll smell it. Again, it's so lovely, the orange. It's really intense. Again, I'm just going to activate it in my hand with a little bit of water. It's not going to foam up or anything like that, but you can smell it already. It's just this beautiful, authentic orange scent. It's really nice. I knew that Hotel Chocolat did beauty products, but I hadn't actually bothered to look into it much. And then if I just turn your hand over, then when I saw that it was in the sale and it was half price, I don't know if I would have paid, in fact I know, I'm just going to be honest, I wouldn't have paid £40 to try it, but I thought for just under 20 it was worth investigating, worth trying it out, and it really is, it's beautiful. It really does feel like a luxury brand. It stacks up just as nicely against all of the luxury brands that I've tried and I've been impressed with, you know, the salon brands. So I would say, just turn you around like that, I would say if you want to give it a try and it's still in the sale, I don't think you'll be disappointed. Now I'm not doing any sort of treatment just now, I'm just doing a nice basic scrub. Nothing fancy, no routine, just a nice scrub. But the scent is filling the room and it also feels very pleasant to use. It's not scratchy, it's not gritty. I'm just putting the lid on just in case any leaks out. And then what I'll do is I'll just wet a flannel, but you could use sponges, or you could even just rinse your hands under water. You don't have to do anything like this, but we'll just dry it off and then we'll turn your hand round. And then we'll turn your hand back. And then just dry, take the residue off, and then we can move on to trying the hand cream. I think I said I wasn't sure if it was a lotion or a cream. I'm actually thinking now it's a cream. And we'll turn you around. And how's that feel? Nice. Yeah. Does it feel, well, if you touch it even just to compare, I think that does feel, the oil definitely does its thing. The oil starts to moisturise the skin. I wouldn't say you're left with a film. Film sounds as if it's something that is lying on top of the skin. It's more like you've got that layer of instant moisture through obviously what I would think is the avocado oil. But trying out that scrub, I'm very happy with it, and I think if you are into that kind of thing and you like the really authentic smells and you like to treat yourself and pamper, it could be worth having a look at that. So let's try the hand moisturiser next. Okay, and to finish we're going to try the Cacao and Wild Honey hand cream, and it says here that it is freshly picked cacao pods. Slather your hands in cacao butter, inhale deeply and escape to our spirited St. Lucian cacao estate. So I will try a little bit just to see how it smells. And you get the cacao, very subtle honey smell, and I'm glad, because even though I like honey, sometimes if it's too strong, oh that is nice, too strong can actually be really off-putting. And if anyone's tried, even if it is real honey, sometimes when it's quite a potent product, like a Manuka product, it can smell artificial even though it's not. Right, you can turn your hand round. So this is, just to confirm, a hand cream. It's got a nice oil content to it. It's not too greasy, it's not too thick. I know these aren't meant to use as massage mediums, but quite often if you're in the house and you're just doing it for relaxation, you will massage it in and you'll see how it behaves as a massage medium. And again, what I'm liking about these products is you can tell that they really are aiming at the luxury market. I think they do actually have a spa in one of these luxurious destinations. So I'm sure if you do your research, I'm pretty sure I saw that the spa had all these different chocolate and cacao related treatments. So you can just imagine how luxurious all of these things would be. So it makes sense that the products would also tap into that. And I've watched quite a few of the Hotel Chocolat documentaries when they're on TV, and they're dotted, I think they're dotted around the world. They're definitely in the UK. I've seen that they've got some American stores. Beyond that, I'm not 100% sure. But when you watch the documentaries, you can tell that they take everything seriously and they won't settle. So it's got to be the best quality or they're not putting it out there. So having tried these products for the first time, I am very glad that I bought them. I think that you would want to maybe look for a bargain if you're like me, just for trying them out for the first time. And then once you see for yourself, you might think what I'm thinking, which is they are definitely worth the money. They're definitely worth, in my opinion, buying them for your luxurious treatments, for your pamper sessions. I think they'd make a lovely gift. And that's us. We're done. So if you've bought them or you're interested in buying them, let me know in the comments. But I'm really pleased that I did. So hope you found that relaxing, found it enjoyable. I'll just put some information in the description box. I'll put the link to where I bought it. Hopefully it's still in the sale, but if not, hopefully I can at least put in the link to the original kit so that you can see it for yourself. Other than that, have a great day and I'll see you again soon.